Okay, today we are going to share with you what is a joint module. Also, we call it rotary actuators. It is a highly integrated all-in-one motion unit. It seamlessly combines a servo motor, a high-precision reducer, encoder, drive, and brake into a compact and sealed body, achieving the unification of power, transmission, and control. Do you know where it is commonly used? It is widely used in the applications that requires high precision rotational motion, serve as a core drive component for the following applications. What problems our module solves? We fundamentally address the core challenges in the robotics and high-end equipment. By delivering the plug-and-play integrated solutions, we help our customers to shorten their development cycles by up to 42%, reduce the overall cost, and ensure the stable, efficient, and precise motion performance. If your company is with any automated projects, welcome to Connect. We will discuss the potential solutions.